If you haven't been living under the rock in the last decade, you probably know this man. So I will skip the introduction and go straight to the point. In an interview with the Rolling Stone magazine back in the year 2017, Elon Musk revealed the strategy he follows in making decisions. I've added the link to the interview in the description section below. The genius behind Tesla and SpaceX, and the role model to many entrepreneurs, follows a 6-steps method when taking his decisions. This method is not new, it has been sitting around for centuries. It is basically the scientific method retold by Elon Musk. Remember that, it is a simple method, but not necessarily easy. First, translate the problem you have into simple questions that have no assumptions embedded. When making the Tesla cars, Musk did not ask how to make a car better than competitors, because he will be assuming that the competitors are already making good cars. They might be, but it is just an assumption and he doesn't take decisions based on assumptions. Instead, he asked, what are the components of a good car? He started from square one, from blank. He took his own direction. This allows you to make something new, and take innovative decisions. This method of thinking is called the first principles thinking. It examines the foundation of things and builds up on the foundations. To do that, you need to analyze the root cause of all problems and go back to its foundations. Root cause analysis is the key to solving problems correctly. The second step is to research. Don't give prompt solutions at this stage or give wild guesses. You need to brainstorm for new ideas, gather enough data, ask experts and specialists in the problem and even conduct experiments. This is the most time-consuming step and requires investing significant effort. Now that you have enough information, move to step 3. Develop more than one hypothesis to solve the problem and assign a probability of truth to each hypothesis. If you come up with one solution, then you are assuming it is right. And here's what I think Elon Musk differs from other entrepreneurs: he does not take one solution and take it for granted. Step 4. Draw a conclusion based on the evidence. Select which hypothesis is most likely to be true. This conclusion, according to Elon Musk, should be based on cogency in order to determine, are these axioms correct, are they relevant, do they necessarily lead to this conclusion, and with what probability? Step 5 can be deduced from one of his quotes. Feedback. Even if you have enough evidence to feel comfortable in your conclusion, you should still seek others' advice. Otherwise, you could fall into the trap of confirmation bias, which is seeking out evidence that proves you are right, rather than evidence that could prove you are wrong. The final step is simply acting upon what you have concluded. If nobody can prove you are wrong, then you're probably right. But you're not certainly right. That's an important distinction because new information can always come, and new evidence could disprove even long-held theories. Make sure to subscribe if you like the video and thank you for watching.